Hello kids, welcome to my channel Happy Learning with Noor. Today we are going to have so much fun with the letter A. Are you ready? Let's start. Yes, today we learn about letter A. This is a capital A and this is a small a. The letter A makes the sound A, like in apple. Come on, kids, say with me. A says A. A says very good. A says A. Now let's see some pictures and you will also repeat with me. The first picture is A apple, and the apple color is red and it is sweet. Now next picture is a ant. A ant. Ant is a tiny insect. The next one is alligator. A alligator. Say with me. A alligator. The next word is X. A. Say with me. A. X. Very well done. Next word is arrow. A. Arrow. Say with me. A. Arrow. Now I will tell you a little short and simple story. An ant and an alligator. Alligator went on an airplane to find a big red apple. Apple. The ant was small. The alligator was big, but they shared the apple happily. Now kids, tell me, you find a letter A in the story? Can you tell me about that verse? Yes. A ant, a alligator, a airplane, a apple. Very well done. Now we will see the formation of capital A and small a. Come on, practice with me. For capital A, go up, and down, cross a line. For small a, go round and down. Come on, kids, practice with me. Go round and down. Now, kids, let's listen the rhyme of the letter A. You have to wiggle your fingers above the elbow to make ants crawling on your arm. Let's do it.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
The first one picture is apple. And apple is starting with letter A. Yes or no? Yes. Apple is starting with letter A. And next picture is cat. Cat start with letter A? No. The cat start with letter C. Now let's see another picture. It's a ball. And ball starting with letter A? No, very well done. It starts with the letter B. The next picture is ant. Did it start with letter A? Yes, its starting letter is A. Sound is A. Aunt. A. Aunt. Very well done, all of you. You did a very great job. Wow, you learned so many things about the letter A today. Now, my little learners, it's time for your homework. Draw or find three things that start with the letter A. And practice tracing big A and small a at home. And ask your parents to help you to take a picture of your work or share anything which you like to share with your teacher in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe and like my video, and don't miss to watch my next video for the letter B. This is Miss Noor saying bye bye.